Trying to think of that. Cumulative distribution, and it looks like ogive, but it's ogive is how that's pronounced. Ogive, yep. So, these ones we're doing a cumulative frequency, so we're adding up the frequencies. So when we start here at 36, the 36 is just going to go to 14 because that's my first number. Now the problem is 14. Oh, I got to do percents. Are these out of 100? Yeah. These are out of 100. So 14 out of 100 would be 0.14, right? I think they made them nice and put them out of 100. Now you'll notice that there isn't exactly a 0.14. What you're going to have to do is type that into the box and then click on this, and it's going to make a little mark for exactly where 0.14 is. So type it into the box, click on the little horizontal dotted line, and it'll tell you where 0.14 is. I'm going to estimate it's not to 0.2, somewhere below that, but the computer will tell you exactly where to put that line. Now we're doing a cumulative frequency, so now we're going to do the 14 plus the 28. 14 plus 28 would give me a total of 42, right? 42 out of 100, which is 42%, 0.42. So again, over here in this little box, we're going to type in the 0.42. It's going to tell you exactly where that is. It's just going to be a little bit above the 0.4 anyway. So I'm going to say it's about right there. 0.42. Again, we're doing a cumulative, so now we're going to add the 21. We had 42 plus the 21. That gives me 63. Since it's out of 100, we know that's 0.63. And again, you'd have to type it over in the box. 0.63 would be a little bit higher than the 0.6. I got it a little high, but somewhere above there. Then we're going to add the 16. So we're going to take our 63 plus our 16, which is 79. 79%, 0.79. So that one's not going to be quite up to the 0.8. Pretty close though. Then we are going to add 12 to that. 79 plus 12 gives me 91. So 91 would be a little more than half, but not very much more than half. Whoops, where did I put my dots? I'm losing my spot. That one's there, that one's there, that one's there. 14, 42, 63, 79, 91. Almost got it there. What does that look like? There's, oh, never mind. I'm a one space off on all of mine. That's why it doesn't look like it's coming out right. This is my starting point. It's at 0. There's nothing at 36. That's why it was a space off. The first one's always going to be at 0. Now I'm going to do my 14, my 42, my 63, my 91, I forgot my 79 in there. 79, 91, and then my last one should add up to 100 because I have everything. 91 plus 9 should be 100, which is at 1. So, first one should be at 0, then I should just add up my cumulative one, and again, those are all going to be connected with little lines as you go and end up at the top, but you won't have to draw the lines. So cumulative frequency, I'm just adding all of them up. Yep, just lay it there. I'll put it back on the charger. So number 14, again, they're nice and made these out of 100, so our percents are easier to do. So, first one's going to start at 0. The second one we're going to have 0.25. So 0.2. Now they made it a number. They didn't make it a percent. They just made it the number. We don't even have to make it a decimal. We're just going to use 25. Notice they use numbers instead of percents along the side. They switched it on me. Again, the 25's not there, so they're going to have you put the 25 in there and make a little line so you know where to go. 25 is going to be about 1/4 of the way up from my line. Then I'm going to do 25 plus 26. So 25 plus 26 is going to be 51. So the next one should go up to 51, which will be about halfway between the 40 and the 60. Then I'm going to add 19 to my 51, which would give me 70. 70 should be, nope, 70 is not even marked on there. 70 would be halfway between my 60 and my 80. And then I'm going to add 13 to that. 83. So 83. Going to be not too much higher than my 80. Then I'm going to add 12 to that, which would be 95. 95 is going to be pretty close to the top, but not on the line yet. My pen wants to draw on the line. And then last, 95 plus 5, going to give us the 100, which should be right on that top line, and it should always end up there. And again, those are going to be hooked together. If I could draw with something like that. And we'll do number 15 quick here and save the technology, which is doing this on Excel probably. So again, here we're back to percents. These ones are back to our decimals along the side. First one we always know is going to be at 0. I'm going to mark that right away. So, first one's going to be at 14%, so 0.14. About halfway up there. The next one, 14 plus 28 would give me 42, so 0.42. Just a little bit above my 0.4 then. The next one, we're going to add the 21, so I would get 63, so 0.63. So a little bit above the 6. The next one, we're going to add the 15, so we're going to get 78. 78 wouldn't be quite up to the 0.8, but close. The next one, we're going to add 12, so we're going to have 90. 90 is going to be halfway between our 0.8 and our 1. And then the last one, we're going to get 100, so it's going to be right on the 1. All right. She's tired now. We'll save the technology to draw these cute little charts for the beginning of class next time. We just have one.